The national anthem. The national pledge. Thank you. We may be seated. Of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Chief of Staff to the President, Right Honorable Mohammed Badr Abubakar, the Minister
Sir, I beg your hand.
This line, that is not in the middle.
Are you okay? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come back.
The aspect of it that I've not looked at is the health implication of exploration and mining. And there's no way you can detach the host community from such hazard, possibility of hazard. So we may have to look deep into potential liability or investment if we learn our lesson from what we have had over the years in the oil and gas production community. I think we must not rely on any mistake of exclusivity in the area of mining. We should understand that people live with the environment, and that environment is important to those who are in the area. Health facilities, because of the problem, that hazardous problem that mining can, will bring to bear on the population within that area and in generality of our country. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, on behalf of National Defense College Course 32, I, Colonel S.I. Udoma of the Nigerian Army, hereby present to you Higher Defense Management Research Project of Course 32.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Colonel Olajide. Now, presentation of a souvenir.
What do you make of this national?
Well, it is great. As you have seen, the presentation is on the solid mineral development, and they have done quite a bit of research, and they have recommended measures to take to improve our solid mineral sector, and that is apt looking at the President Bola Tinubu renewed hope agenda on the expansion of the economy and other source of income for the country.
So what does this speak to regarding the importance of this college?
This is the college is really very important in dealing with topical issues, researching on topical issues that affect the country, and this is one of them. From what we heard, they have suggested ways and means on how to diversify our economy through solid minerals sector. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, Commandant. How was it like going through this rigor to produce this outcome for the country?
First of all, let me appreciate Mr. President, Commander-in-Chief, for giving us this opportunity. You see, today is more or less a day of history because this is the first time that the college participants will be making a presentation to Mr. President. And in preparing for this event, we're also grateful to Mr. President for selecting a topic that is very dear, not just to his heart, but very important in the socio-economic development of Nigeria, because it speaks to one of the cardinal points of his renewed hope agenda, which is economic diversification. So giving us this task to research into how we can harness our mineral industry, especially the solid minerals part of it, to improve our economic fortunes in this country is something that we're very grateful for. We're also grateful to Mr. President for one very important aspect of the college's curriculum, which is the study tours that we do embark on every year to all parts of the globe. And this year we're privileged to visit the countries of Botswana and Guyana, who have done a lot in the area of solid mineral development, to actually conduct on-the-ground research into these sectors. So we're not just relying on secondary sources to write this paper, but also interviewing people on the ground in these countries where tremendous successes have been achieved. And that's actually, added to, the beauty that the paper itself was able to achieve. So we're really very grateful.
So what's your expectation after this presentation to the President?
Well, our expectation is to take it a notch further. We listened to the Honorable Minister of Solid Minerals talk about having a sort of collaborative initiative between his ministry and the National Defense College, and we're going to take him up on that so that we can have this joint effort whereby we'll still look at the paper, redefine it, we try to refine it further so that we can jointly, see how these recommendations can be implemented, and also in our engagements, with our service chiefs and other heads of security agencies, we shall also consciously include, areas of security concern, just like Mr. President has pointed out, regarding the mining industry. So these are, for me, the next steps for us to take. But of course, it's not all about physical security. We must be able to translate whatever it is that is happening in the mining industry into tangible outcomes that will be beneficial to the entire country, but especially the host communities where these minerals themselves are located. Thank you. Thank you.